y'all. Hey, everybody. So good to hear from you all. We are back. It's a Monday afternoon, and we're ready to learn fractions. Who's ready? Who's ready? Hi, Amtala. All right. So we're going to get started with the question that I asked online when Miss Williams was on the track. I was on the running track. Who saw that video? Oh, I'm getting lots of me's. We're all ready to go. Who saw the video of Miss Williams running on the track? Hey, London. I didn't see you on here last time. All right, somebody's saying hi. I don't know who that is. All right, there's a few people who saw me running on the track. Okay, you saw the video where I walked the track, not running. Okay, so in that video, I talked about walking past a mile. Good. So today, we're going to talk about going past 1 on the number line. So let's look at the number line. 0. I'm going to put 1 here because I'm going to go past 1 on the number line today. I'm going to go ahead and put my 1/2 here. Okay. Well, actually, James, get me an eraser. Actually, I'm going to put my 1/2 here for this point right here. Now, I said that 4 times around the track would be 1 mile. So, how should I partition the number line from 0 to 1? How many parts should be there? How many parts should I break this into between 0 and 1? Somebody's saying 2, shouldn't be 2 parts because 4 times around the track. I see someone has answered 4. 4 times around the track equaled 1. So 4 times around out of 4 would be 1. So I need to partition it into 4 parts, 4 equal parts. And do I have 4 parts? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, 4. Now I'm going to ask you, how should I label each part? So over here, I'm actually going to write 2, just in case anybody wants to go 2 miles. I hope that we all know Miss Williams didn't walk 2 miles because I only went around 6 times. Okay, so 4. We want to partition over here 4 as well. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 parts. Now, how do I label my parts? How do I label? I have 4 parts. Come on, children, we have to remember. How do I label this first part? So here I'm actually going to change that to 0 out of 4 as a reminder. You guys make me feel like I need to come on a little bit more often. 0 out of 4, and then what's next to it? There we are. There we are. 1/4, and then at 1/2 is equal to how many fourths? Yes, I see 1/4. I see everybody giving me 1/4. Ah, there we go, Sahadi. 2/4 is the same as 1/2. Now, how many fourths do we have here? What do I need next? How many times out of 4? I'm seeing lots of 2/4. There we are, Valeria. Thank you, thank you. 3/4. And then we already have 4/4. Very, very important. What comes next? Come on, be the first one to tell me what's after 4/4. What's after 1 whole mile? Somebody knows it because they answered correctly on the YouTube video. Ah, there it is. Genesis. First one with it. 5/4. And then what's next? 5, 5, 5, 5/4, 5/4. What's next? 0 fourths, 1 fourth, 2 fourths, 3 fourths, 4 fourths, which is 1 whole, 5 fourths. There we go. Emily. Okay, 6 fourths. I don't know which student that one was, but Emily has it. 6 fourths. What would be next? What's next? Coming after 6 fourths. 0 fourth, 1 fourth, 2 fourth, 3 fourth, 4 fourth, 5 fourth, 6 fourths. Yep. 7 fourths. And last, what's equal to 2 miles? How many fourths are equal to 2 miles? Come on, we know it. We got this. I meant 7 fourths. All right, here we go. Chris Lynn. 8 fourths is the same as 2 miles. 4 fourths is 1 mile. 8 fourths is 2 miles. Now, those who watch the video, how far did Mrs. Williams walk? What point can I label there? How far did I walk? Did I walk 0 fourths, 1 fourth of a mile, 2 fourths, 3 fourths of a mile? Did I walk 1 whole mile? Did I go past a mile and walk 5 fourths or 6 fourths or 7 fourths? Or did I get all the way up to 2 miles? How far did I walk? I see 2 fourths. I see 7. All right, so as a clue, Miss Williams did walk 6 times around the track. Oh, here's Emily Mullen. 6 fourths. This is me. Right here at 6 fourths. Now, there's another way that I can say that. Instead of just 6 fourths, how else can I tell you how far I walked? Because I walked past a mile. How can I write it as past a mile? So it would be 1 mile plus 1 fourth plus what? Oh, we're thinking. Hey, Camden. Oh, okay, so Chris Lynn is Camden. That's good to know. How far? Yes, 6 fourths is correct, but how else can I say 6 fourths? Because I want to say a mile plus how many fourths? Yep, I see Sahadip says a mile and a half. This is right in between 1 and 2. So that would be a mile and a half. Or TM says a mile and 2 fourths, which is absolutely correct again. 1 mile and 2 fourths. 1 mile and 1 fourth, 1 mile and 2 fourths. Yay! You know you did a good job, so say you did a good job. GOODJOD, job. All right, and I still help you. All right. I am going to clear my board. And we're going to take another look at equivalent fractions. Just one more look at equivalent fractions. You guys did an awesome job on the quizzes for equivalent fractions. Oh, we got 4 likes on here. All right, so I want to break my number line into halves. So here I'm going to write what in there, and then in the middle would be a half, right? 0 out of 2 parts. This is 1 out of 2 parts, and this is 2 out of 2 parts, or 1 whole. Yes, we're doing quizzes today. Yes, we are. Now let's break the number line into thirds. So we have 0 out of 3, 1 out of 3. Oh, that's not even. Oh, doesn't look good. Somebody say yay. All right. And we have 1 out of 3. You guys are going to need to leave. 3 out of 3, or 1. All right, let's break it into fourths. And what am I writing? 0 fourths. What's equivalent to 1/2? How many fourths would I write for 1/2? Hey, Jansen. 4 fourths. What's equivalent to 1/2? How many fourths? All right, good. 2 fourths. 2 fourths. So here we would have 1 fourth, we have our 2 fourths, 3 fourths, and 4 fourths. All right. Let's break it into 6. 6 is equal to 1. So if my 1/3 is here, what's equal to 1/3? What 6 is equal to 1/3? I have teenagers in the background answering. What 6 is equal to 1/3? How many 6 do I put there? 3 6. 3 6. So if I say, I'm gonna get another color here. I'm looking for 6. I'm getting 3 6, which is not the correct answer. Times 2 is 2, and times 2 is 6. So that would be 2 6 instead of 3 6. But that's good. 3 6 would be equal to 1/2 in the middle. So I'm going to go ahead and put the 3 6. I'm going to put 2 6 here because it's the same as 1/3. I'm going to fill in my 1 6. So I have 0 6, 1 6, 2 6, 3 6. What's equivalent to 2/3? How many 6 is equivalent to 2/3? How many 6 would be equivalent to 2/3? 2/3 times 2 gives me my 6. And up top would be what? Up. All right, yeah, got it. 4 6. Good job, yeah. Now, what 6 am I putting in the middle? Which one is missing on the number line? April 27th. 5 6, absolutely. Good job. Oh, yay! Now, boys and girls, I want you to name some equivalent fractions using the board that we have here. What equivalent fractions have you learned today? Yes, I see everybody with 5 6. Give me some equivalent fractions. All right. Okay, 1/2 is equal to what? Okay, 2 6 and 3 fourths. Let's look at that one. 2 6 and 3 fourths. So here I have 2 6. When I go up, it's not 3 fourths is over here. So those are not equal. 3/3, 4 fourths, 6 6. Oh yeah, that's a good one. 3/3 is equal to 4 fourths is equal to 6 6, and they're all equal to 1. Also 2 halves. Very good. Any number over itself is 1. 2/3 and 4 6. Let's see. 2/3, 4 6. Perfect. 2/3 and 4 6 are equivalent. Remember, we talked about that word equivalent, equal or the same. So we see that 3 6 is equivalent to 2 fourths. We see that 1/2 is equivalent to 2 fourths and 3 6. We see that 3 6 is equivalent to 1/2. Okay, 1/2 and 2 fourths. Very good. They're equivalent. All right. Have a little surprise for you. I want you to meet somebody. And then after this last segment, we're going to go into our quizzes. Yay. Yay. I'm glad everybody did good. So, let's see. Oh, somebody's asking who. Should I let anticipation grow or should I just go ahead and bring them out? I want you to see my number line on my paper as well. It might be difficult. All right. So here we have the number line. I'm starting with 0. I'm going to go past 1. All right. Hopefully you can see this. All right. Come on, Rosie. Come on. All right. So, puppy dog Ralphie went on a walk with Miss Williams. He's always ready to go on a walk. He loves walks. Right there, Ralphie? I want to tell you that Ralphie enjoys going past 1 mile. So, boys and girls, I recorded some data. Ralphie did a lot of stopping on the way. I love math since kindergarten. Very good. I'm getting a lot of awes. Very good. Ralphie, I think they like you. Oh, so cute. Now, let's talk about the walk with Ralphie. How about that, Ralph? You want to tell them what happened on your walk? So about half the way, we ran into a big dog. Let's look up here. We ran into a big dog, and I had to pick Ralphie up. At 1/6 of the way, at 2/6 of the way, at 7/6 of the way, and again at 8/6 of the way, Ralphie needed to use the restroom. So, please tell me, how do I log that in on my number line? How do I log these in? All of Ralphie's stops. So we stopped half a mile for a big dog, and then we stopped all these times for him to use the restroom. How do I label that on my number line? Let's see. I may be able to fit that on the board too. All right. All right, Ralph. All right. Going to put my 0. Let me ask you this, boys and girls. Did Ralphie and I walk past a mile? Look at the points that he stopped at. Did we walk? No. Somebody said no. Did we walk past a mile? Somebody said 8/8. Not sure about that. K 01626. Okay. All right. So I have my 0. 1/6 is where Ralphie stopped for the restroom. Gonna put RR. Then at 2/6 he stopped for the restroom. All right. Yes, I went past the mile. Yeah, I think we did go past the mile. So I'm gonna go all the way to a mile. 3/6, 4/6, 5/6, 6/6. There's our 1 mile. So did we go past that mile? Everybody's saying yes. How do I label past the mile? How do I label past this mile? Yes. Somebody's like, yes, yes, yes. Of course you went past the mile. Ralphie, did we walk past the mile? Did we do that? Yes. Yes. Say yes, because I needed to use the restroom some more and some more and some more. Somebody said 7/6. 7/6. And then what? Yes, we went past the mile. Yes, we did, right, Ralph? Say yes, because there was a big dog at half a mile. Where was the big, oh, somebody's telling me before I could even ask, at 3'6", that was a big dog. You remember that, Rose? And I had to pick you up. All right, so then we said 8'6". He went to the restroom again. And into the restroom again. Man, you guys are good at this. You guys are great. Are you ready for your quizzes? All right. Now, again, boys and girls, for the quizzes, you may have to minimize this screen and just listen to my voice and open up another screen. Or you may have to X out of me, which is absolutely fine. So, this is the website, joinmyquiz.com. Everybody is welcome to join, joinmyquiz.com. Yes, here we go. Quiz is time. All right, and then the game code, I am typing it in, 040726. Zero 40726 is the game code. Valeria loves this time. All right, we got Yaya, Mason, Jansen. 3 in the game already. All right, Kanika, yes. All right, again, you want to log on to joinmyquiz.com if you're new to this. When it asks for the game code, you want to put in 040726. I'm going to type the game code in again. Just in case you're only listening to my voice right now, 040726. All right, we got Tanaya, Camden. It's your girl, Queen Ansela. Gaming with Kev. All right, we're up to 8 students logged in. This quiz is for fractions on the number line. All right, Ashton is in. Tyreek, Ethan, thank you, thank you. All right, 12 are in. We have 17 students logged on today. We'll give it a few more minutes, and then we'll start. 13 students are in. Rylan joined us. I'm going to win. Wonder who that is. All right, a few more minutes. I'm going to repeat the game code one more time, 040726. Now, if you're not logging on right now, then you're watching this video, you're not watching it live, you're watching after the taping, then you won't be able to join the quizzes game. It's a game of contenders, so you would need to play with everybody. Okay, we have Valeria, King Christian. All right, boys and girls, I think I'm ready to start. Here we go. 2, 1, go. All right, I'm going to go ahead and X out. I'll talk to you guys soon, hopefully Wednesday at 12.